We're getting things done, and we're gonna get it done, and it's gonna be done, and we're gonna be done with it, and everything will be awesome.
I think we really like the idea of putting the kids through like trial by fire.
The whole process kind of just went as, it was like a brain dump.
The parameters for the assignment was that you had to create a film for at least 30 seconds.
But like, in no time.
Hello. Yeah. If you don't know who I am, I'm Jeremiah Cortez. So what we did is we decided to do a randomizer for a character and then a setting, a location. Yeah. Okay, so we'll go ahead and go with this group over here.
We were actually given 2 prompts. The first being like chef, baker, something like that. And then the second being like a setting, so we got jungle.
I think that's it for right now, right? So yeah, go ahead and get started.
I think it works well because we all are friends. And so it felt like every idea we bounced off of each other.
The toughest part was like having so many ideas that some were colliding with each other.
Sticking with the cutoff explosion idea.
Where the kids? Wait, I was gonna say for the
collaborating, we weren't like fighting over anything.
We should have this happen. No, I want this to happen.
And then because of that, we were able to work together as a team.
Yeah, exactly. It's just a black hole. What does
the space professor do to save the class?
It could just be like a new equation and he pops them out.
Pops what out?
What?
You know, we gave them that prompt, right, as a group meeting. They had a weekend to kind of think it over. Your storyboard's done, your character designs, like on day 1, then day 2, you get into animating.
Kind of like the mustache is
Thank you.
Yeah. Right. And throughout that whole process, we'd walk around and like check what they were doing, give them feedback, see what was working, what wasn't. And
That was a tricky thing to do, was knowing just to let them be. Like, okay,
finding that balance.
Okay, cool, it's looking good. Watch that, but that's it. You just, you have to kind of leave them to it.
So ignore it.
Okay, and this is that jump that. Do you mind if I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Overlapped, right? Because if I'm coming out on my chest, it looks graceful, like he's doing it with grace.
Oh, everyone is here.
It's gonna be a crowd. Stand.
All right, you guys, we're gonna get started.
To put it at it was so cool, okay. I think it's really nice to see how people are like communicating with each other and growing their artwork skills.
Oh my goodness, to be surrounded by such talented people is like jarring to me. Like already having to work with people who are just as passionate as you and seeing other people even more passionate creating other things is like wild.